Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some updates to share with you guys. So welcome back to another home updates video. We're gonna be cleaning, organizing, and I have a few small hauls to share with you guys. So let's get started. Starting off in the kitchen, I'm just going to be doing some basic tidying up in here, doing dishes, wiping countertops down. Everything is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking during this part. I did just wash my hair, so don't mind that. After I'm done with the kitchen, then we'll catch back up.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
So our kitchen table finally arrived and I am loving it. We got it from Pottery Barn. It was a really quick ship. I really love the color and most of all the texture. It's so much more like luxe in person and I love that. It's an extendable table so I can take the middle leaf out and it'll go down to a round 4-seater, which is always a good option to have. We're also thinking about putting this cabinet in our pantry once our pantry is all finished, just to free up a little bit more space. Not 100% sure, but we'll see. So here's our pantry. It was delivered the other day. If you guys haven't seen my empty house tour, I showed you guys our pantry and it's huge. So we're gonna turn it into a prep kitchen. So we'll have countertops and cabinets, and we even added in a little farmhouse sink. So I'm so excited about this whole process. Before we start on dinner, I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up from Target. We had a bunch of errands to run and then a pickup from Target, so I went inside and picked up a few essentials. These are just things that the kids wanted from the dollar spot. I got these reusable sandwich slash snack bags that we love to use. These were only $7.99 for a pack of 3, and you guys know how expensive those can get. I pack a lot of lunches during the school year, so I picked up another little bento box to add to our collection. This seems really convenient, easy, and it's customizable, which is really cool. Some foaming hand wash to refill the kids' soap dispenser in their bathroom. Needed another face wash, and I love my Tula cleanser and I just couldn't get my hands on it right away, so I went ahead and picked up CeraVe, which is another go-to body wash for the kids. I like this Dove one and then the Dove Sensitive for me and Brandon. I saw this blanket in Target and I thought it looked just like the Pottery Barn one, so I picked it up for like $18, and I think this will go perfect with our couch once it comes in. Another back to school item that just arrived at the front door, it's my little one's LL Bean backpack that I ordered not too long ago. We really love LL Bean because they stand behind their product and their backpacks last forever. My oldest one has one, he's had it for years. Now I just ordered this one for my first grader and I just love the color combo on this one. By the way, if you're just now seeing my channel and you're new here, welcome. I love to make cleaning, organization, home decor, and just lifestyle type videos. So if you enjoy videos like that, I would love for you to subscribe. We actually just moved to this house, so we're still trying to get everything together and organized. So I'm doing a lot of home updates and vlog style videos right now, but I do love creating cleaning content. So if you love things like that, stick around. Right, so for dinner we're going to be making crispy tacos, and this is the best crispy taco recipe I have ever made, and it's super easy. I actually got this idea and the recipe from a girl on TikTok. I will try to remember to put her name down below. This is the majority of the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some cooked chicken. I like to use rotisserie chicken, at least 2 large potatoes, but since I had a bunch of these small ones, I just used almost all of these small ones. I have a can of diced tomatoes and tortillas. So you're gonna want to boil your potatoes. You can peel them after they've been boiled, but I just went ahead and peeled them and threw them in the water. I did cut them so that they cook a little bit faster. Here are all of my seasonings that I'm gonna be using. Go ahead and add garlic salt to that. Next, you're gonna shred your chicken and set that to the side. Alright, so now that I have all of my chicken shredded, I'm still waiting on the potatoes to finish boiling. You want to make sure your potatoes are soft enough to mash. Once that's done, we're going to add our chicken to our mashed potatoes along with all of these ingredients, seasonings, and then we're going to start building our tacos. After all of your potatoes are mashed, go ahead and add in all of your chicken, all of your seasonings, and your can of tomatoes. Now you're just gonna mix it well, and it's supposed to look a little something like this. You're gonna heat your tortillas up in the microwave for a few seconds. You're gonna add some cheese down. You're gonna put your filling on top of the cheese and add a little bit more cheese on top and then close them. Now you're gonna heat your oil of choice. I use avocado oil, and you're gonna put them in there just long enough for them to get crispy. So maybe 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and take them out and then start on your next batch. We had these with a side of salsa and sour cream. It was so good. You guys will not be disappointed.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby.
So it's the next day, and we had some more things to do around town. We stopped at Aldi on the way home. I miss going to an Aldi because Texas, where I lived, did not have an Aldi. So I'm glad that there's one a little bit closer to our house this time. Starting off with some fresh produce, I picked up a bag of spinach. I like to add spinach to a lot of my recipes. This huge organic spring mix for salads. 2 different types of mushrooms. This is something else I like to add to my recipes. I always have to have some kind of pasta in the pantry for the kids because they love butter noodles. We always stay stocked on frozen vegetables, especially the ones that come in the steamer bags. They're just so convenient, but they have been going up in price, and we've been seeing them for almost $3 a bag. These were only 97 cents a bag, so I got like 5 or 6 of these. I got some pure Irish butter, which is a really good butter to keep in your fridge. 2 things of Fairlife. This is the milk that we buy anyway, and these were a little bit cheaper here. And I got these eggs. These are probably some of the best eggs that you can buy. This bag of peaches was only $1.99, so I picked these up. We love having fresh fruit in the fridge. We got some organic bananas, cucumbers, tomatoes, a jar of pepperoncinis. The kids love snacking on these little cherry tomatoes, so I picked a small thing up of those. Bell peppers, some brioche bagels that look really good, cinnamon raisin bread, some plain organic oatmeal for Brandon, some cereal for the kids, and some chicken broth, some multi-surface cleaner by Windex, and some OxyClean stain remover, which I really love this stuff, so I was glad they had that there this week. And that's it for my haul. I spent $88 on all of this stuff, which I think is pretty good, especially today with everything going up in price. So now let's go ahead and put everything away. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the kids' bedroom. We don't have a playroom in this house. They're still gonna be sharing rooms because that's what they really wanted to do. We asked them if they wanted separate rooms. They wanted to share rooms, but the room is definitely not done. We still have to put up their blinds. They still have temporary blinds up. We're gonna do something good with this wall here. This bed is brand new. If you guys remember their old bed, it was almost like a tree house. It had a huge like roof that peaked at the top, but since these ceilings in this house are like average height, that bed wouldn't have worked. And plus we wanted something with storage since they are sharing a room still and they don't have a playroom. So we got this bed from Living Spaces. We ordered it when we were in Texas. It looks exactly like this Restoration Hardware one that I was looking at. I'll put a picture up just to show you what the Restoration Hardware one looks like. It's like triple the price. So we have this little basket, it's all their Nerf guns. This little unit is new. Right now we have the majority of their toys in here. They do have toys in their closet, which I'll show you in a second. I have these random baskets put in here, but there are some baskets that I have in mind that I want to get for all 4 of these. Braden has all of his little chapter books that he likes to read. He have some random artwork just kind of propped up against the wall for now. They have their little Echo Show. They use this for their audiobooks at night, sleep sounds, music, the time, their alarm, all of that. All right, as far as this side of their room, hopefully in the future we will change this situation out. I'm not liking this. Plus all of these gray bins are actually kind of broken from the move. Maybe we'll update those if we don't update this whole entire unit. But it works for now. We still have some things to put away. Anyway, we do have some more toys here, and then these are all books, and then this one is all of their Nintendo Switch add-ons and attachments and chargers and things like that. But like I said, I am not sure if this is gonna stay like this. It works, so we'll see. Okay, so here is the closet. So much better than just having that one bar across the top. So the Container Store came and completely gutted the entire bar. There was also like a shoe thing mounted at the bottom that would have taken up so much space. It was a wooden shoe thing that was attached to the wall. I still have some rearranging to do. There's a lot of space at the bottom, and I have some more of their toys. I needed some more hangers so I can hang up the rest of their clothes. And in case you're wondering, I always get the Pillow Fort kids hangers. I got these little like squishy rubber organizer trays for their toothbrushes and their toothpaste for their drawer in their bathroom. These are by the brand Bright Room. I went ahead and removed those clear bins of toys from underneath these drawers. I don't like stuff on the floor if I can help it, especially in the closet. I decided to put the clear bins that were down here just for now. Like I said, there are some bins that I have in mind that until I get those, I think I'm just gonna put these here for now for the kids, and now at least they won't forget about them. Last but not least, I'm just going to be unboxing some packages from Nike that we got in. We ordered these a while back for the kids' back to school clothes, and it's just a couple of t-shirts and a pair of shoes. We're still waiting on some other stuff, and I thought I would show you guys, but that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click that red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.